Your guest list for the party's set. Your food's ready. All that remains is cleaning the pool. The iRobot Mira 530 pool cleaning robot takes the work out of cleaning a pool and the work out of hosting your pool party. With one touch of the clean button, Mira gets to work. Using iAdapt Nautic responsive cleaning technology, Mira sizes up your pool, then chooses the optimum cleaning cycle to deep clean every section, floor to waterline, and everywhere in between. Mira has a self-contained vacuum, pump, and filter system, so it works without hoses, suction lines, or installation. Mira circulates more than 4,000 gallons of water per hour, improving distribution of pool chemicals and heated water. Because Mira is totally independent, it does more than just give you a break, it gives your pool pump a break, cutting back on energy costs by reducing the overall runtime of your pool system. Designed for any in-ground pool, Mira makes multiple passes, navigating obstacles as it picks up leaves, hair, dirt, and sand. Mira also has a fine filter that captures smaller nuisances like silt, pollen, algae, and bacteria as tiny as 2 microns. Unlike suction cleaners or pressure cleaners, Mira's active spinning scrub brush agitates the pool surface as Mira moves. This allows Mira to scrub and lift dirt, algae, and bacteria, the nasty stuff, off the pool floor and walls, including the waterline where oils and bacteria can build up. Mira diligently cleans every section of your pool, making sure not to tangle its power cord as it climbs walls and changes directions. And check this out. Mira's a stair climber. Its PVA wheels provide sponge-like traction for all pool surfaces, especially slick pool surfaces like ceramic and vinyl. 2 quick drain valves allow water to empty out of the robot for easy, lightweight handling when the job is done. Mira's top-load filter canisters are simple to empty. Just lift out the basket and remove the debris. Now it's time to enjoy yourself. The pool's clean, the robot's clean, and you're ready to party. No work, no stress, just good clean fun.